Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to use Boj Ginseng Essence Water. After cleansing your face, pour a small amount, about 2 to 3 drops, directly into your palms. Gently pat the essence all over your face and neck, allowing it to absorb fully. This is your first hydrating step, preparing your skin for subsequent products. You can easily incorporate this into both your morning and evening skincare routines for consistent benefits. This essence is packed with powerful ingredients. It features an impressive 80% ginseng root water, known for its deep hydrating and nourishing properties. Additionally, it contains 2% niacinamide, which works to balance excess sebum, improve skin texture, and brighten your complexion. Together, these ingredients offer long-lasting moisture, antioxidant protection, and help strengthen your skin's natural barrier for a healthier look. For an extra boost of hydration, you can layer this essence. After the first application, simply pat in 1 or 2 more layers. Applying it to slightly damp skin after cleansing can also enhance absorption. Always follow with your preferred serums and moisturizer to lock in all the goodness. For a quick refresh throughout the day, transfer some into a mist bottle and use it as a hydrating facial spray. This versatile essence fits seamlessly into your daily regimen, perfect for both morning and night. It is formulated to be gentle and effective for all skin types, even those with sensitivity. To maintain its potency, store your bottle in a cool, dry place, away from direct sunlight. Remember, consistency is key. Using it regularly will help you achieve the best long-term benefits for a more radiant and balanced complexion.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.